If you want apps on your Amazon Fire TV Stick that you can't find in the Amazon App Store, check out this. Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you looking for movies and TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV Stick? Are you looking to get different applications that you can't find in the Amazon App Store? Follow along and I'll show you how. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips and tricks and how-tos. You follow what I do on my device, you can get these on yours just as quick. First thing we need to do is head over to the magnifying glass here, and if we just pull down, and we can search one application to get all these awesome great apps on our Amazon Fire TV Stick. So highlight search and type in downloader D, and as you can tell I just typed in D. You can continue with the word OWN, but downloader came right up and we're good to go. So we can just use our remote and click on downloader, and it brings up this orange icon. This is the downloader application that we're going to install on our Amazon Fire Stick. So click on that. Here it gives us the ability to get it and download it onto our device. So we just click on the download arrow and throw it into the queue, automatically install it onto our device. While we're waiting, guys, please share this with a friend. I know there's a bunch of you trying to figure out how this works. Just follow along. Super quick, easy, simple steps for you to do it. Now that the application's installed, we just hit the home button on our remote. And we just need to do one option change, jailbreak our Fire Stick. Really easy and simple. Head all the way over to the little settings guy at the very end. And here, if you pull down, I have my Fire TV here listed. I have a new updated version. It used to be down here. They moved it up to here. If you have a really old Fire Stick, it may say my device and it might be somewhere else on the screen. So my Fire TV or my device, same thing. We select that. Now we get an options list. Right now, as you can tell, yours might not look identical because I have developer options listed. If you don't, you can have that installed on your device instantly. We just click About, and then while Fire TV Stick, or if it says Fire TV or something different in the very top line here, we can just use our remote, use the select button about 7 to 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it says, congratulations, you're now a developer. Easy as that. We have developer options listed halfway through our jailbreak. We can back to the menu for My Fire TV, and developer options will be here now listed. So we can just highlight developer options, click on it, and here we have ADB debugging. We can just use a remote and select it, and it turns it from off to on. And then highlight install unknown apps and select it. Look for downloader, the application we just downloaded. And then we turn it on. And there, the jailbreak's done. Easy as that. We didn't jailbreak the Fire Stick. We just changed an option. Piece of cake, right? So now, let's look for downloader. Figure out how to get these wonderful applications. So the last application that we've downloaded onto our device will end up in the 3 squares plus sign area. So you can just highlight that and click on it. And being the latest one we downloaded, it puts it right down to the bottom of our list. And we can highlight downloader. Now if you want, we can just use the 3-line button on our remote, and we can move this up to the top of our list or move to the front as we get this option to adjust our shortcuts menu. So when we go back to the home screen, downloader's there front and center for us to enjoy. So we can now open up downloader. We'll click allow to have downloader access photos, media, and files on our device. And then click OK for the quick start guide. Now downloader works just like a web browser. So we can enter any URL or website that we choose, like https://ledbytheunknown.com, or I have a short code for you, and it's way quicker. So if we just click go or enter on our remote, and enter again, downloader brings up a keyboard for us to type in this short code. It is 3, 7, 10178. And then we can just come down and hit go. This will redirect it through the short code to the Led by the Unknown website's download section. Once the redirect is completed, we can just use the 3-line button on our remote and it brings up this simple menu. And if we just add this page to our favorites, we don't have to do this again. No more redirect. You can just come in to Downloader, go under Favorites, and click on our favorited option, so the download section, and save. Now in this web page, we got tutorials, some more how-tos, a bunch of videos, check them out, and of course, the apps you're looking for your Fire Stick. Now, I always say, get yourself a nice, reliable VPN. Take out your camera, take a shot of this QR code. Black Friday is coming up, and all the greatest deals for IPVanish and the VPN are available for you. The best discounts you can get, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and protects your online privacy. We can hit the little X, and we can hit the X again. Now let's head down to our first little section here. We got movies and TV shows, all the best apps for 2025. We can start with film, click on it. Automatically starts downloading it to our device. It'll ask us to click install on the bottom right. And then once the application is installed, we can go down and just highlight done and click, or highlight and click on done. As we need to delete the installation file and yes, confirm the delete. Now, film does need a player. So please download this player if you're going to use film. They work hand in hand. So we download, install, down on the bottom right, click install, and then we can go down, highlight done, and delete the installation file. So delete and delete. Now, we got lots of applications to choose from. This was my Fire Stick. I'd get this app, I'd get this app, and definitely 2 other apps. So we can highlight flicks, come down. It is blurred out for my privacy. It is blurred out for my privacy. And here we have a video. YouTube will let me show you this. Follow along. You want to check out what flicks is all about, watch this quick demo. So we can come down all the way to the blue bubble, click on the top one, the download for it, and it'll install it onto our device just like the other applications that we've already installed. Then down on the bottom right, we'll click install. And once the application is installed, and then we can just hit highlight done and click on it. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. And now we can back out one. We can come down, my next option for my stick, HD. We can head her down. And again, the blue button for HD, quick installation file. Click install on the bottom right. And then highlight done and click on it. Delete the installation file. Back out. And we got movies, TV shows, some live TV in there. And of course, I'm going to say, let's get some sports. Some great apps for sports. You can head her down. Click on the latest installation. Down the bottom right, install. Highlight done, click on it. Delete the installation. Yes, confirm the delete. Back out. I got one more. We can never have enough, can we? Live. We can come on down. Multiple languages, multiple countries, Amazon or Android devices. Hit the installation. Done. Delete. Delete. We're good to go. Even if you wanted one more app, you have Stream. A lot of great content in it. Let's go find these applications. All the way over at that 3 squares plus sign. Like I said earlier, the latest app that you've downloaded ends up down on the bottom of the list. So if you have a bunch of apps on your device, keep going down. I'm gonna move this one to the front. So we got IP up here. Film, we can move to the front also. Then I'm going to do like sports, move to the front, some HD, move to the front, flicks, move to the front. And if we want, we can even put live, we can move it. How about that? So on our home screen, we have our shortcuts menu the way we want it. Applications that you can't find in the App Store. Applications that you want on your device. Follow these steps and trust me, you'll love your device. Check out the page for other applications that are being added every day. Newer ones, old ones, extra ones. That may just perk your interest. I've had a couple requests for some extra videos, but follow along, check these out, enjoy, happy streaming, peace.